Hey friends, this is the Mrs. Volpe from Our Half Acre Homestead, and I went shopping today. Okay, this wasn't a bad haul, guys. Prices were really exorbitant, but I spent $211. I got Howie his coffee pods, big bag of apple, 5-pound bag of apples. This toilet paper was on for $21 for 30 jumbo rolls. That's pretty good. Grapes, Howie cereal, 3 bags of milk, hot dog buns, hamburger buns, because it's the races this weekend, 3 loaves of bread, Papa's cream. I got 2, 4, 6 cans of mandarin oranges. I remember when these used to be 50 cents and they'd go on sale for 25 cents. Now they were on sale for $1.25, but I like to have some vitamin C in the pantry. There's Howie's hamburgers for the track this weekend. 2 bars of cheese. Now the butter was on sale for $4.44 a pound. But they were limiting. I drove all the way to Gatineau for this. They were limiting it to 3 per person. So Briar got 3 for me. 2 dozen eggs. I got just, a quick supper sausages. They were on for $2.99. I got a package of chicken, 2 packages of chops, which were on special for $8.30. The chicken, can you believe that? $11 for 4 pieces of chicken. Now this, I couldn't find any lunch meat, but this chicken bologna was on sale for $2 a package, so I bought the last 3 they had. I got some grapes. And oh yeah, here's the deal of the day. Wolf sent me a store that had, it's kind of like a discount center. Kind of like a, one of those places where, I don't know, it's a discount center. And they had 15-pound boxes of tomatoes for $8 yesterday. They were all gone today. However, it was worth the trip. Why? 50-pound bag of potatoes for $12.99. That's 25.9 cents per pound. Not too shabby. And I have a PC President's Choice card thing on my phone. And because I shopped there, I got my points added up and I got $10 off my total. So this day and age, that's not bad for $211. Earlier this week, Food Basics sale had Primo pasta, 2-pound packages on for $1.25, limit of 12. Howie brought me home 12. So there you go. You know what I'm doing tomorrow? I be canning taters. This is the Mrs. Volpe from Our Half Acre Homestead saying, yep, groceries are done. I'm canning potatoes tomorrow. Mwah! Take care. God bless.